Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be about how to spread roles on Discord. So the way to do that is you go to your Discord server. So like I have this one. You see bots in here, but the members in my server are less. If you have a bigger server, like you'll see all of them are online, not organized. For my role, I'm the owner. I have this. I'm spread it. So something like that. So if you don't want bots, like if you want to spread bots from each other or spread members, sorry, you go to server settings. After you go to server settings, you go to roles. After you go to roles, you go whichever role you want to spread from others. And after you click on edit, I clicked it before I said it, and you see this button, you press on it. Display role members separately from online members. Click save changes, and as you see, bots are different. I'm different from them. So thank you guys for watching the video, and please subscribe. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and see you next time. Goodbye.